Nissan promotes electrification through its two pivotal electrified powertrains, electric vehicle or EV and e-Power. Since launching the Nissan Leaf EV in 2010, we have continued to bring breakthrough electrified technologies to market. To make electrified vehicles more attractive to consumers, we have been developing battery technologies, including all-solid-state, more efficient electrified powertrains, and unique motor drive control technologies. Through development of the Leaf, Nissan has pioneered the potential and excitement of electric motor drive. Powerful, yet smooth acceleration, outstanding quietness, and excellent driving performance. And thanks to motor control at the 1/10,000th second level, we have achieved a huge leap in cornering, acceleration, and braking performance. e-Power, meanwhile, aims to bring EV driving characteristics to a large number of people. e-Power shares core components, control technologies, and production technologies with our EVs. The key difference is that it provides the convenience of a fuel tank. Launched in Japan in 2016, e-Power is hitting the road in various markets around the world. To further enhance the competitiveness of our EV and e-Power powertrains, we have been developing a new approach under which the two powertrains will also share newly modularized core components. We call this approach X in 1. The expertise we have gained from the development of both EV and e-Power creates benefits for both. These powertrains create new value as they continue to evolve, with their evolution gathering speed as we move forward.